The plan didn't work. Fuck. This rain has been relentless, and it's been a bit of a long night. We're doing sort of like late night checks on everybody, make sure that everybody's okay. I think that looking at some of the reports and stuff from the other region, from the rest of the region, then we kind of got away quite lightly, I think. We've driveways, as you can see, is pretty much finished, so I'm just trying to work out how we get off, because we need supplies. So I'm just trying to work out how we can get a wagon out, because I've got to go and get obviously all the animal food. I think what I'm going to do is carve a new road out down the bottom here. I think if I can bring the Land Rover up here, this looks like it's quite straightforward, and then I can get it along here. We're now on the neighbour's land at this point, so but needs must. I'm sure he won't be that unreasonable. And then we'll get down here. I think we should be able to just go straight up to those gates. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like we've got a plan. I'm going to go and grab the Land Rover and take it to town. I think we'll probably have to break a padlock, allegedly. I'm not sure that in the event that we do have to break a padlock, I mean, if a scenario were to exist that a set of gates that we needed to get through was in fact padlocked, and though that padlock was broken, can you get done for breaking and leaving? Or is it just breaking and entering? I'm not sure. Oh well. He's quite a funny old bugger, so I hope he's alright. But okay. Here we go. Right. Well, the gate has miraculously opened which was bizarre because I'm sure it had a padlock on it, but on closer inspection there doesn't seem to be one. So we're going to go up here, see if we can get off the property. We're going to need 4-wheel drive, put it on 4 low, and hopefully, oh, that's not good. Okay, so the mud was a little bit looser than I thought, so the plan to carve the new road out this way wasn't such a great one, so we're going to have to get the Land Rover and see if we can tow her out. Should have gone up that way really, perhaps. Oh man. See if the Land Rover can do its thing. You'll need to get in it and put it in reverse and reverse out. What seems to be the problem, Rachel?
Someone just tied this rope on here.
Yeah.
And now it's stuck. And I can't get it off.
But the good news is, we did get the truck out. It's another adventure. It's weird because looking at it you wouldn't have thought it would have been that soft underfoot, but I suppose we just had so much rain that it's just got it stuck. So okay, so we're going to head to town in the Land Rover instead. The adventure wagon! The plan didn't work. Fuck. So we managed to get it up this far, which is further than the Nissan, but unfortunately this is cool, but this part just sunk really low. So what we're going to do is I've just put this metal rail in now, it's like pathway, and then we're going to see if we can get out that way. Oh my god.
That wheel stuck. Stop. So we're trying tiles now in the hope that we can unstick the Land Rover.
Look, for anybody watching, I'm not an experienced off-roader, okay? I know there's a whole community of Land Rover lovers out there that go off-roading every weekend and they're looking at this, they're going, look at that bloody idiot. Here I am with a roof tile. Jeez.
To be fair though, this is really sludgy mud. isn't it?
Yeah, and the tyres aren't great, which is half the problem. Yeah, we'll blame the tyres.
We'll just blame Abby.
Yeah. Okay, well.
So